Hi there and welcome to yet another demonstration on the profitability of a newly found trading strategy that was proposed on YouTube. This strategy provided me a hypothetical profit of 15,795 USDT and might have more potential in stock if we were to trade it in the future with crypto too. So let's not waste another minute and I'll tell you more after the intro. The strategy was proposed in this video where the maker suggests that he found his new trading indicator that filters out all false signals in the market. You can watch that video later, after mine of course. I added the link to that video in the description. The strategy only uses two indicators, the expanded cloud by Lux algo, and you'll have to adjust the length to 21, and the double MACD buy and sell indicators with its default settings. The buy rules are simple and easy to follow. You buy when the expanded cloud turns bullish, markets form a bullish candlestick pattern, and the histogram of the double MACD turns bullish. And if this is the case, then you open a trade on the next candle, set a stop loss at the low point of the expanded cloud bottom, and set a risk to reward of 1 to 1.5. The short trades have opposite rules. You sell short when the expanded cloud turns bearish, markets form a bearish candlestick pattern, and the histogram of the double MACD is bearish as well. And if these conditions are met, then you open a short trade on the next candle. Set a stop loss at the high point of the expanded cloud top and set a risk to reward of 1 to 1.5. And also the original video mentions to close the trade when an opposing signal appears. And you then do an opposite trade of course. So you see, this is a super simple strategy that can also be executed manually. But we are not here for entertainment. I want to do an extensive and scientifically approved method to really test out if these trading rules have the potential to give us future wealth. The original creator did not really give us much info about that. So I did what I always do, and that is to code this strategy into a Python script for use with TradingView, and I have also created a Python algorithm for this strategy to do a real extensive backtest with a popular backtesting engine. I've used multiple years of data from over 50 crypto pairs to see how this strategy holds up in a simulated market circumstance. And this is the only way we can definitely find out if this strategy is worth investing our time and money. Both the Python code and the Python script are downloadable from my Patreon site for my patrons. Not only will you support my work by becoming a patron, but I have also other benefits for you, like a ton of blog posts about trading and backtesting, and also access to my ebook about algorithmic trading for beginners, which you can also buy on Amazon of course. And for those European people that are searching for a reliable MyCar licensed trading platform, there is also a special welcome bonus for all the people that want to use the new Bybit platform in the EU. Click on my affiliate link in the comment section below or use Get Bybit when you sign up and deposit your initial trading money. But now for the backtest results. What was the performance of this trading strategy in the past and what can you expect in the future? But no guarantees that this will actually happen of course. You can see here that the 1-day time frame is providing us with the best results while protecting the gains best. Let's upload the file with the actual backtest log output onto my backtest analyzer website so that we can have a better view of these hypothetical performances. This 1-day time frame has a win rate of 38% and that is quite normal for a swing trading strategy. The profit factor of 1.4 indicates that for every dollar risk taken we have $1.40 return. And here you can see that the most trades happen on the long side. The average profit percentage for trades is 5.7%. Now in this test Solana proved to be the best pair to trade with and Litecoin the worst, but this is all depending on your pairs that you want to trade on of course. I happen to have these two in my list of 50 pairs to trade with. Looking at the equity curve, we see that trading with this strategy isn't a smooth ride to the top and we have to experience some drawdowns now and then. And these drawdowns are sometimes quite large and can go up to 41%. So if you are going to trade with this strategy, then you can expect these kinds of risks. And we also know that because of the 38% win rate, we have to be aware that there are more losing trades than winning trades. But with a profit factor of 1.4, we still eventually end up green in our trading account. Let's also take a look at this strategy and its results if we use it on TradingView. And like with most trading strategies up until now, not all pairs are suitable to trade with this trading strategy. Take in this example Bitcoin. We can immediately see that a lot of trades are not always profitable. But these results are not comparable with the backtests I do with the backtesting engine, because in TradingView we only trade the pair that is shown on the screen. In this case on the Bitcoin chart we have 74 trades and a total percentage of 44% win rate, which is comparable with the backtesting engine. And I can now run over all these other pairs with the same trading strategy and you can see that the results are mixed. Nonetheless, this is a good way to visually inspect which pairs react well and then you can decide which of these you want to trade with in the future. For example, Binance Coin is a good contestant for use with this strategy. So what can we say about this trading approach? Now, like many other trading strategies on YouTube channels I tested, these indicators and their rules are a good starting point to build further on for your specialized trading strategy. And if you add one or two other indicators or your specific trading rules for entry and exit, then it might well be possible to filter out some of these bad trades to make the win rate higher. And of course, it's profitability. So please remember to do your own thorough research first and do not take my results for granted, because I can only show you my backtesting results. And these are only indicative of what might be possible, no guarantees whatsoever. Now if you like this video and what I do, then please click on like, subscribe or support me by becoming a patron. And do not forget to claim your welcome bonuses on bybit.eu with my affiliate link. Do not leave free money on the table. And in the meantime, I will continue my search for the best trading strategy, and I will see you in the next video. So for now, goodbye.